that's assault.
Guys, wait. 2 flies wasted. 2 flies wasted. 2 flies, 3 planes. After 45 minutes.
At around 9:30 p.m., Orlando police responded to a disturbance inside Orlando International Airport after a woman allegedly became violent.
Oh. Okay. Hey, how's it going?
Hold on.
Hey,
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go.
cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah, actually. Back it up a little.
Right there.
Sorry.
This is her getting off the plane all the way through, punching the
Oh, you
screens
got the
and
whole-
stuff. I got everything.
Yeah, which are kicking in.
You want to press charges?
Well, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you
You
want
know how to work Axon?
Yeah. I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, you're gonna write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a.
Right over here. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this gonna cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500. So I would say $1,000.
Hooker. Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. What happened? You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay, we'll get you to write a statement.
Stop
okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still. Stop. Don't do that.
Because you broke that
Don't do that. Don't do that.
And they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, then? No, that is not a crime, right?
small that it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives,
Yeah,
that
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop moving. All right,
I have
come
my
on.
medication.
Let's go. Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that to,
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When
no.
they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on, don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. You can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you
there.
are proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if you-
squirming your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You are hurting me, man. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming your arms and you're trying to get out of these handcuffs.
Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
All the bruises.
Is that an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs? Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, hermano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that
Stop.
that you're gonna take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Yeah.
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. You fucking abuser. Just abuser.
Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are.
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's Armani. Armani's got everything.
Alright.
Got the ID.
Let me
and all.
grab can you bring some statements up to him?
Yeah. I think. Oh yeah, because.
She was like
Saddle
dragging me
doesn't have
along.
it.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
She hit the dude. There's clear video up in there. When you go up there, please get that video. No. The cell phone. A couple passengers came up. They got it, and you see her going wham, wham, kicking them.
Oh really?
Yeah, kicking the. So she's got battery, criminal mischief. Right now, the criminal mischief's at like 1,200.
Okay.
We got a passenger that got denied boarding, and she lost it. You know. Yeah. So she hit like one of your monitors, and she hit one of Southwest monitors. My partner over here stated that one of your GOA colleagues stated that the computer's working, that they don't want to press charges. Referenced your monitor.
I want to see that.
You want to see it?
Yeah, I got to see it.
He wants to see the monitor for himself.
He wants to see. So,
Yeah.
he said it's working. Everything's working at 5. The one that I'm responsible for is working. It's a GOA computer, you know. So it's.
But you're not GOA, right?
No, but I fix it. I'm the one who fixes it and maintains it.
That's what I.
You know what I mean?
Like we
Yeah.
need it going.
Yeah.
But I checked it and it's working. It's just the power plug had kind of come out. So I set the monitor back up, plug the power plug back in, and it's working.
So it's working.
Yeah, it's working. But as you can see, the other one is not going to work.
And that belongs to us, or no?
No, that belongs to
Southwest.
Southwest, yeah.
That's why 22 since I wasn't working. There's
Yeah.
There's no need to put charges on it.
Is Southwest pressing charges? I mean, since
Yeah,
Yeah.
he pressed charges for the battery and for the damages on the computer.
Yeah, she's going to jail.
all right, hold on. Let me just.
Yeah, do what you gotta do, man. That's what we're doing? Is the trespass?
Yeah, let's trespass the
All
person
right.
because yes, we have to.
Sorry, so let's go downstairs. Yeah, so you guys are not pressing charges for reference to the
We
monitor.
are trespassing here.
It's not charges. It's different.
I know.
Are you pressing charges for the monitor? Okay.
Our computer's working. This is our computer. See, it's working. See?
Is it missing keyboards?
No, the keyboard's right there.
Is it missing keys?
Wait, I didn't even zoom in yet.
Oh man, attention to detail.
No, it's still there. The keys are there.
Okay, so that's just Southwest missing keys.
Yeah, it's Southwest. This is South. Yeah, this is Southwest on. Okay.
So you're good.
We good. I'm not charging
Okay.
you. Make sure you put all.
It'll look bad, right?
Make sure you put all GOA property. Make sure you put that. I just want to get that.
It's
Yeah.
not my first time, bro.
Yeah, man. You got ID.
You have it. Oh, sorry.
Are we okay?
All right. Do you want to tell her? Or do you want me to tell her?
1 year. No, you tell her. I don't want it to get.
You want her to-
How long is it? 1 year.
Tell me. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
Airport.
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out. But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna go ask him for.
Thank you. Appreciate it. She's good.
Authorities later identified the woman as 45-year-old Salome Rodriguez. She was booked into jail on charges of battery, criminal mischief, and resisting an officer without violence. Court records showed that Rodriguez later posted a $5,000 bond and was released from custody, allowing her to return home to Illinois while the case moves through the court system. According to reports, Rodriguez told people inside the airport that she was attempting to reach her destination to bury her brother before the situation completely spiraled out of control. At this time, no serious injuries were reported as a result of the incidents. As for prior criminal history, publicly available information reviewed following the arrest did not appear to show any major violent felony convictions connected to Rodriguez, though additional details could emerge later as the investigation and court proceedings continue. Situations like this continue to highlight how quickly already stressful travel environments can escalate when emotions boil over in crowded public spaces. Should situations like this lead to stricter penalties for disruptive airline passengers? Or do you believe the emotional circumstances surrounding the situation should also be taken into consideration? Let me know what you think down in the comments below.